If you're trying to break into a farm area to create more opportunities to get listings, to get buyers, just to get well known in a community, this is going to be for you. And I want you to do it through a letter. And it could be a sequence of letters, but today I want to talk to you about one letter that has really helped us connect with our farm area extremely well. And not only has this letter helped us, but it's also opened up other doors to connect with people in so many different ways. It's going to sound familiar, but first, welcome my real estate friends. I'm Tristan. This is your daily real estate. Let's talk about the farming letter that you're going to want to use. I do have it. I'm going to read it to you. The idea of this letter is all built around building a directory and giving that value back to those people that you're trying to connect with in the farm area. Because like I mentioned to you before in a previous podcast, when a homeowner is living in their home, they encounter really three things over and over and over. And that's MRI. Maintenance, repairs, and improvement. And so this is why that letter matters so much. Here it goes. Hi neighbor, or hello neighbor. My name is Tristan with Y Realty, or just Tristan, and I've started focusing my real estate work right here in, and then you can put the neighborhood. I'm putting together a free local legends directory. That's what I call mine, local legends. I'm putting together a free local legends directory for, and then you can put the area, a short list of plumbers, roofers, painters, and other pros or professionals who truly earn 5-star praise from the people who live on these streets, right? So now I'm bringing it a little bit local. Could you share the name of one service provider you used recently who did great work? ? I'll give them a quick call, confirm they're still in business, and check one more reference before adding them to the directory. When the list is complete, I'll drop a copy at your door or send it by email, whichever you prefer. If you don't have a name handy, no problem. Just let me know if you'd like the finished directory, and I'll make sure you get a copy. Thanks for helping make this neighborhood, an even better place to live. If you ever have a question about home values or real estate plans, I'm only a call away. And then I put my signature, warm regards. P.S. Feel free to text me your favorite service pro at, and then I put my phone number, or email me, and then I put my email. That is how easy this is. I want you to use this. I want you to, by the way, if you need this, just message me on Instagram, message me on YouTube, wherever you're listening to this, message me. I'll send this over to you. It's episode 603. And I want you to use this. I want you to tweak it. That's the key. I want you to read this, make it your own. Don't just send it out like this. I want you to make it your own. But more importantly, build this darn directory I've been telling you about. This has been the secret for us just over the last 2 years, and it's going to be more important. Use this letter. Do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, share it with anybody you want, and subscribe to my new newsletter, Real Estate Prospecting. The link is in the description of this video and in the podcast. Have an awesome day.